Hey guys, we received this bottle 40 ounce tumbler with handle for test and try. Here's have the straw stainless steel vacuum travel mug with a car cup with straw and a stainless steel vacuum water bottle to use. So let me just open up this. So this is 18 by 8 stainless steel and dishwasher safe with a double wall vacuum insulation, nice design. This is around 40 ounce capacity that it can have and also have a strong handle as you can see. So this have a strong handle and the straw is separate that you can use. You can use it directly to sip or you can use the straw. So this is inside the stainless steel thing and of course it will store your hot and the cold drinks inside it and then also have a nice cleaning or easy to clean stuff. So the below part is good for the cup holder in the car that you can directly use and then have a strong handle and the great durable material. So with that straw I will show. So you can seal up this and you can also use it as a straw, like from the top portion. So that will be a vacuum sealed and you can use the straw. And then you can also use it the other way around that you can close this lid and you can open it directly with it. So it's a really nice design as you can see, keeping everything in mind.